So you are earmarking funds that are excess, meaning to say good collections of government, good performance of a GOCC. You have earmarked that for unprogrammed, not for the program.
Correct, Your Honor.
And yet
Which
you
is-
say the position of government is that Congress cannot exceed the ceiling of the President's budget, but it can exceed the unprogrammed, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's why it was 303 billion pesos, correct? Exceeding.
Correct, Your Honor.
So if I were a member of the House, and I will not certainly become a member because I cannot win any election, but if I were a member of the House, bakit ko ilalagay sa program? Lalagay ko na lang sa program. Sigurado pa yan, kapag may excess revenue, mauuna ako, hindi yung program. And I can put anything in unprogram so long as the leadership or the BICAM will accept. That's why it was a jump of about 400 billion from the agreements of the House and the Senate, and then bicameral increase it by 400. I would rather go there because I can add everything that I want in the unprogrammed. So goodbye fiscal discipline.